Josh Niehaus here with the Elite Group Property Inspections. We are on site today at a beautiful home here in Glendora, California. We're going to be showing you guys the cool tools and technologies that our inspectors use to make sure our clients get the best inspection that money can buy. Some of the really cool tools that our inspectors use is an aerial drone to fly up well above the rooftop and scan the roof for any potential defects. Also, we can send a sewer camera down the underground plumbing to check for any line breakages or other defects that we would not be able to see standing above the ground. Also outside the property, for homes that have raised foundations, we can send a crawl bot underneath to areas where an inspector would never be able to crawl and in crawl spaces that are too tight for somebody to fit underneath. Inside the home, we have an indoor air quality machine that can test the air quality and make sure there's no mold spores in your future home. Also, when inside the home, our inspectors can use an infrared gun to scan all the walls to look for moisture and electrical hotspots. It's not every day that you're purchasing a home, so when you do, it's important to choose the right team with the right tools and technology. So for your next property inspection, call the Elite Group Property Inspections.